Welcome back to Healthy Lifetalk. In today's video, we're going to discuss an issue that many men face, a patchy beard. If you're looking for natural remedies to promote beard growth and achieve a fuller, thicker beard, you've come to the right place. We'll be exploring some powerful ingredients that you can find at home and incorporate into your grooming routine. Let's dive right in. Today we're going to talk about how to fix a patchy beard using simple home remedies. If you've been struggling with an uneven beard, don't worry. We have some fantastic ingredients that can help stimulate hair growth and promote a healthier beard. Number 1. Garlic juice and onion juice. One effective remedy for patchy beards is applying garlic juice or onion juice to the affected areas. These ingredients contain sulfur, which aids in improving blood circulation and stimulating hair follicles. To prepare this remedy, extract the juice from garlic cloves or onions and gently rub it into your beard area. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Number 2. Cooled green tea. Green tea is not only a refreshing beverage but also a powerful ingredient for beard growth. It contains antioxidants that can promote hair growth and strengthen the hair follicles. After brewing a cup of green tea, allow it to cool down. Then, gently massage the cooled green tea into your patchy beard area. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a versatile plant known for its numerous health benefits, and it can also work wonders for your beard. It helps moisturize the skin, prevent itchiness, and promote hair growth. Simply extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to your patchy beard. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. Number 4. Oils for beard growth. Various oils have been used for centuries to promote hair growth and improve the condition of the beard. Some beneficial oils include castor oil, coconut oil, and almond oil. These oils are rich in essential nutrients and fatty acids that can nourish your beard follicles. Apply a few drops of your preferred oil onto your fingertips and gently massage it into your beard. Leave it on overnight or for at least a couple of hours before washing it off. Number 5. Essential oils for beard growth. In addition to carrier oils, certain essential oils have been found to stimulate beard growth. Essential oils like lavender, rosemary, and geranium are known for their hair-stimulating properties. Mix a few drops of your chosen essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Massage this mixture into your beard and leave it on for a few hours before washing it off. Number 6. Fish oil supplements. If you're looking for an internal approach to tackle patchy beards, consider adding fish oil supplements to your daily routine. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote hair growth and improve hair density. Consult your doctor or a healthcare professional before incorporating any supplements into your diet. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you know someone who's struggling with a patchy beard, be sure to share this video with them. Remember, a little bit of care and the right ingredients can go a long way in achieving a fuller, healthier beard. Until next time, take care and keep rocking that beard with confidence.